Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of Austin My _238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm just gonna make a short vlog today because I'm still in a hotel room, but watching Quintus on Twitch, and yes, he's streaming his Cycle Frontier, and yes, I'm still working on YouTube. I'm slowly going back into YouTube stuff, so yeah, after that struggling, so yeah, but anyway, today I'm relaxing in bed, but today is also my last day of taking steroids and also some breathing treatments. So yeah, guys, see how well I get before I actually make a road trip back home. So yeah, but I'm still recovering. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm officially up. Check it out. My mom just got matchy tank top that says sunshine, 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 all four sunshine and colors. So this is a tank top. This is from Walmart. So yeah, they don't have good selection too. So we got the same kind as mom. So yeah, but anyway, wearing the shorts, and yeah, but we were thinking going to Hoover Dam today, so we're not gonna walk, we're just gonna drive through it. So yeah, but we'll see when we get there.
Did he tell me why? Has anybody told you why?
So we're sitting by Wendy's, getting ourselves a strawberry frosty and also a burger. So yeah, but you know, I'm so excited. You've already seen the Hoover Dam.
There it is that it right there?
Yeah.
What's this up here?
And that one, that's the bridge right here.
Oh, is that the bridge you walk? Yeah, look. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
that's the highway.
Look back here. Yeah,
Yeah.
we are.
Oh yeah, the Niagara Falls.
Look at that.
I remember that. I
That's
remember
the
this
Hoover
over
What do you
here.
mean
Dam.
Niagara Falls?
Look at that. That's
What do you
the
mean,
dam
guys?
right
Is this
here.
Niagara Falls is?
Look
I
at
don't
this,
think
guys.
so. This
That's
is the
Hoover
Hoover
Dam.
Dam.
Whoa, check it out.
Look at
We're on the dam.
Oh, is this, we're actually on it?
Yeah, we're on it. Wow. Oh yeah, there's a bridge right here. Look at that. Whoa, that's way taller.
Can you get out and get a really good picture?
Look at the size of the Hoover Dam.
Look at that. And it goes down very low, too.
Yeah, goes still way low. Look at that. Look at that. That's Fremont Street, but it's blocked off. Look at that.
We have to get to the side where we can drive.
So, yeah, that's Fremont Street.
Oh, there it is.
There's
Right to the
Fremont
left.
Street. So, yeah, but it's walk only, so we can turn there. So there's Fremont Street right there.
No, right when we go under this dome. No, right here. Look in the middle.
Right here. That's Fremont Street.
Oh, see
guys.
the people sky.
Look at that. Alright guys, finally back in the hotel room. I just got done doing a Vegas haul, so it should be up by the time watching this vlog. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping up the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, what a surprise. I finally going to Hoover Dam today. What do you think, Mom?
We had fun.
Yeah, finally went to Hoover Dam, so yeah. But anyway, tomorrow's the last full day here in Vegas before making the road trip back home to Wichita. Finally, after weeks in Vegas.
Yay! Boo,
So,
yay!
yeah.
Boo, yay!
So now we're about to celebrate your birthday
Yay,
at home.
I know. No, I want to celebrate longer here.
No,
I say we stay.
I just want to go home
I
and
say we stay.
continue my recovery. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, show me some love, show my family, anything like that. So anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of Hoover Dam. Just let me know in the comments down below. And make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's our adventures right to be. And it's watching. Peace. Bye-bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.